Hello, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video, I will show you how to add your social channels to your Buffer account in just a few steps. Whether you are new to Buffer or you are just setting up a new account, this guide will get you started. All right. Okay, to connect your social channel, you have to click on connect a channel, which is here, or you go to your profile, which is over here. I click on it. Then under settings, you will see channels. All right, but whichever process you choose to follow, you still get the same result. So to start, you click on here, connect a channel. So in this video, I will use my LinkedIn profile as an example. Okay, so I will choose this. All right. So when you get here, all you have to do is to put in your login details, your email, your phone number, then your password. All right. So I'll click on sign in. So you have to go through all this information over here. If you're okay with it, then you click allow. If you're not, you click cancel. But since I'm okay with this, I'll click allow. So you can see that my LinkedIn profile is now connected to my Buffer account. So I'll just click on finish. And that is it. You click down here, finish connection. So all done. You see, I've connected my LinkedIn account to my Buffer account. So it's just simple and easy. You can start posting or you click on skip. So to also add any of your social channel, you follow the same procedure. You choose whichever one you want to connect down here, your TikTok or YouTube or Facebook, whichever one, you click on it, then you follow the prompt and adding your login details. All right. So that is it. It's so easy to connect your social channels to your Buffer account. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.